Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I am out with my SONY A6400 here in the Norwegian morning, doing some wildlife photography. And it's not every day you get to take a perfect picture, so let's see what this video brings. The goal for today was only to get some steps in my local area while taking some beautiful pictures of birds. So sit down, grab that snack you got laying around, and join me for an adventure. I can hear a pigeon. And what a beautiful light. Look at this morning sun. Wow. So today I just want to get like some pictures of anything, to be honest, because it's so early and cold. That's a woodpecker, right? Oh, something there. What's that? Oh, where did he go? Oh, he's there. Where did he go? Oh, he's right here. There, right in front of me. There's two. Look at them go. Oh no. Look, that's a blackbird, right? Oh, there's so many. There's not enough light quite yet, but that's fine. The birds are waking up. I am starting to wake up. The sun will come through in any minute. That's a pigeon. Okay, the sun is starting to come up here. Where are you, little birdies? Okay, we need to walk carefully. Wow, you can really hear them starting to like chirp like crazy. Okay, so the goal for this video is just really catching a picture of anything, because it's so early and I need to get to work soon. They're chirping like crazy. Okay, this spot is usually really nice. Especially now that the sun is coming. Oh, Oh, it's like some pigeons. I haven't really seen them in a while. What a beautiful morning. What's that? Oh, it's the Eurasian jay. Oh shit. They got scared by the car. Damn. Gotta walk real carefully because it's so slippy here. You can see all this is just ice. Oh, it's so nice to be out now. It's super cold, but it's so worth it. They're everywhere. This has to be like the great hits. Oh, look there. Ah, sit still. No. Okay, the sun is starting to shine through there. You can see. Oh man, imagine there was like a bird on that stick. Oh, there they are, at the top. If only they would come down to more of like an eye level. That would be great. This is kind of hard. Need to walk really carefully here. Hello? Huh. They are so hidden. It's impossible to spot them. because they're so small. But if there was like a bird at that branch right there, that would be insane with the sun coming out in the background. Or like something in between here with all those like lights. Because if I focus here, I get beautiful bokeh. Oh, there, blackbird. I am gonna stand here for a while. Oh, hello there. Oh, there, pigeon. They are insanely active. Oh, there. Oh, another one. Oh, it's so bad, the lighting. What is that? Oh, right above me. This is crazy. What is that? The sun isn't quite where I want it to be yet. Okay. That's something that's like the blackbirds. They're playing in the trees. What is that bird? That's a blackbird. I can see you. It's a raven. That's cool. Okay, let's see. Why am I talking so low? I feel like I should be speaking a bit higher, but I'm kind of like nasal, if that's what you call it. Oh. Look at them go. Up there, is that the jay? Huh. We're going back here because the sun is finally starting to rise even more. And this is like such a nice place with some openings. Oh, hello. Oh, that's a blue tit. Oh, no. No, no, no. Okay, we'll do like one little round here, and then I think I need to get back home to start my work. Or maybe I can maybe I can spend a bit more time here. Oh, that's the jay, isn't it? No. What is that? I really want the birds to get on like this side of me. Everyone is sitting on like my left side. I need them like to be in the sunlight. But I do know they enjoy this side. Oh, there's something in the top there. Oh. Oh, it's a yellowhammer. Two actually. Or is it a finches? Huh. Oh, there's another one in the tree there. Oh, damn. Oh. It's like a green finch. Let's see, change focus. Huh. so slippy. Oh, hello. So many. Oh, look at that. Oh. That's the one I was looking for. No. Oh. Where is he? No. Hello? There are so many birds here now. Oh, that's a dog. Oh, those are deer. Are they not? No, that's a bench. Huh. Huh. I think I should back up a bit. It's so nice to see all the birds returning back to Norway now that the winter time is coming to an end. I love the sounds of birds. Maybe we'll get like a picture of the woodpecker. I can hear him. There he is. I can actually see him. Bit too contrasty, to be honest. Like, I hate doing this with the glasses on. I hate doing this without the glasses on. But I don't hate doing this. It's only because, like, in the winter they get so foggy. Or like dew. If only they would... Oh! Oh, there is the woodpecker. Another one? No. Okay, so there's one woodpecker there, one there. These need to go, and so do I. Oh, hello there, little bird. Little Bluetooth. Just chilling. Okay, I think this is enough for the day. I'll go back to my car and I'll hopefully see you guys in the next one.